I wanted to show you guys an awesome ZOJI online store that sells Windows software and official game keys for very low prices, and say thanks for sponsoring this video. ZOJI is a website that has 100% working and legal keys for all sorts of games and applications including Windows 10 Pro and Microsoft Office 2019. If you want to purchase the Windows 10 Pro directly from Microsoft, it would cost you about $200. However, if you want to install Windows 10 Pro on your computer, you can download an ISO file from Microsoft website, burn a CD out of it, and go to the ZOJI website, where you can buy the key for just $14 US, and if you use the discount code in the video description, you will get additional 10% off. You can also get the Microsoft Office 2019 for less than $50 if you use the coupon code that you will also find in the video description down below. Again, this is not a rip-off company and they would not reach out YouTubers like me in order to scam anyone. Their service is 100% legal and working, and I suggest you checking their website out. Again, all the links and discount codes will be down below in the video description. The Homtom ZOJI Z9 is one of the latest budget rugged smartphones that has a nice design, pretty good specifications, huge battery, and obviously, this device can take a beating. As usual, let's take a look at all the pros and cons of this device. The phone ships with all the usual stuff, and some extras include a headphone jack adapter, USB OTG cable, and a screen protector. The Homtom Z9 has a body that can take a beating, as the phone is shockproof, water resistant, and dustproof thanks to IP68 certification. Despite rugged properties, the phone has a glass backplate. The device has nice aluminum rail with chamfered edges that goes all around the device. The top and bottom of the phone are made of shock-resistant rubber. The USB Type-C port is covered with a flap. Unfortunately, the phone does not have a headphone jack. The overall build quality is very good. The phone feels sturdy and buttons are nice. The phone is relatively thin and compact considering the fact it has a massive 5500 mAh battery. Also, the device does not feel heavy in the hand due to good weight distribution. That battery lasts for a long time. I was able to get almost 19 hours of screen on time on a single charge. While you may not achieve this result all the time if you use the phone more intensively, you will always feel confident that the battery lasts you a long time. You can also use the phone as a power bank to charge other devices. In addition, the supplied fast charger fully charges the phone in just about 2 hours. The display is really nice and sharp thanks to in-cell technology. The panel looks vibrant and beautiful both indoors and outdoors. The fingerprint scanner is accurate, but the display could light up faster. Also, it is implemented near the cameras, so you may need a few days to get used to the position of it. The face unlock feature is reliable, but I found myself using the fingerprint scanner as it is simply faster. Other notable features include a dual camera system on the back, a 13-megapixel shooter on the front, LED notification light, and a hybrid dual SIM card tray. The loudspeaker could have a little bit more depth, but overall it's pretty good. Also, it can get quite loud. Here is a short audio sample. The phone ships with a Helio P23 CPU, 6GB of RAM, and 64GB of expandable storage. While these specifications sound impressive on paper, the gaming performance is kind of mediocre. You should expect to see quite a bit of stutter in games like Asphalt Extreme. There will also be some skipped frames in the Shadow Fight 3, and finally, the PUBG is playable only on low graphics settings, but there will still be some skipped frames and a bit of lag. Overall, this is not the best phone for gamers, unless you like playing games with reduced graphics settings. The Homtom ZOJI Z9 ships with Android 8.1. Right off the bat, you can notice that the phone is really fast and snappy thanks to the stock Android interface. There are some added features like gesture and motion controls that work fine, but that's about it. No bloatware, no gimmicky features, just pure Android experience. The main camera can take nice pictures in good lighting. I can't say that all pictures are perfect, but this is one of the better camera setups in a budget rugged phone, as you can get some real nice shots out of it. The portrait images use mostly software to mimic DSLR bokeh effect, and the low-light camera performance could be better, but this is what you need to expect from most of the budget rugged phones. The selfie image quality is quite decent, but the colors are usually washed out and there could be less noise. 1080p video looks okay, but there could be more detail in the footage, and continuous autofocus is kind of slow. 1080p selfie video quality is mediocre, as there could be more detail in the footage. Connectivity-wise, the Homtom Z9 is pretty good. Call quality has been decent, I had no issues with signal reception, and GPS has been working fine. The device also has NFC and a few sensors, including a gyroscope for 360 content. Finally, the phone has a heart rate monitor. The Homtom ZOJI Z9 is a phone that offers a rugged design and quite a few other features, but let's summarize all the pros and cons. For the price of about $230, you get a phone that is well built, it is water and dust resistant, and it can survive a few drops. In addition, I like a sharp display, very good battery life, and stock Android that assures fast and snappy day-to-day performance. Finally, the camera can take nice daylight pictures. However, the gaming performance is mediocre, and bokeh-like pictures taken with the help of depth sensor do not look great. At the end of the day, the Homtom ZOJI Z9 looks like a solid budget rugged phone, as it does not have many flaws to consider, especially for the price. But what do you guys think about the Homtom ZOJI Z9? Would you buy this budget rugged phone, or would you choose another budget option? As always, like the video if you liked it, drop me a comment down below if you have any questions, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.